Ever found yourself struggling with the discomfort of constipation? You're not alone. This common health concern can put a damper on your daily life, but don't worry, Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, offers holistic solutions to tackle this issue. Step 1. Dietary modifications. An Ayurvedic approach to constipation starts with what you put on your plate. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help bulk up your stools and promote regular bowel movements. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of warm water or herbal teas throughout the day can soften stools and aid digestion. Healthy fats from sources like ghee, olive oil, and flax seeds can also help lubricate the intestines. However, it's best to limit your intake of processed foods, fried goodies, and sugary snacks, as these can worsen constipation. Step 2. Herbal remedies. Ayurveda provides a range of natural laxatives. Triphala, a blend of 3 fruits, is known for its gentle laxative properties and can be taken in powder or tablet form. Another Ayurvedic remedy is castor oil, which, when consumed with warm milk before bedtime, can stimulate bowel movements. But remember, it's potent, so use it sparingly and under the guidance of an Ayurvedic practitioner. Step 3. Lifestyle modifications. Consistency is key. Eating meals at regular times and setting aside time for bowel movements in the morning can promote regularity. A gentle clockwise abdominal massage can also stimulate the intestines and aid elimination. Regular physical activities like walking, yoga, or swimming can also stimulate digestion and promote bowel regularity. Step 4. Stress management. Did you know chronic stress can contribute to constipation? Ayurveda recommends relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to maintain a calm and balanced state of mind. Step 5. Consultation with an Ayurvedic practitioner. For personalized guidance and treatment, consider consulting with an Ayurvedic practitioner. They can assess your unique constitution and imbalances to recommend specific dietary and lifestyle modifications, as well as herbal formulations tailored to your needs. Remember, while Ayurvedic remedies can be effective, severe or persistent constipation may indicate an underlying health issue and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. It's also essential to listen to your body and make gradual changes to avoid exacerbating symptoms. So, there you have it. Ayurvedic recommendations for managing constipation. Diet, herbal remedies, lifestyle modifications, stress management, and professional consultation. A holistic approach to tackle a common problem. Remember, health is wealth, and Ayurveda might just hold the keys to a more comfortable, balanced you.